Adiyan Namaskaram. Today Adiyan is about to present about the topic Dashavataram through Deshika Stotramala. முதல்ல அவதாரங்கள்னா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். அவதாரம்னா இறங்கறது. பெருமாள் ஸ்ரீவைகுண்டத்திலிருந்து பூலோகத்துக்கு அவதாரணம் பண்ணறதுதான் அவதாரம். அவதாரங்கள், in each avataram Perumal's qualities are present. Perumal is Satyam, Nityam, Jnanam, Anandam and Amalam in each of his avatarams. The purpose of avataram is very well mentioned in Geetam as Paritranaya Sadhunam, Vinashaya cha Dushkritam, Dharma Samsthapanarthaya, Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Paritranaya Sadhunam, Nallavalngala Kapathardhu, saving the virtuous. Vinashaya cha Dushkritam, துஷ்கர்களுடைய விநாசம் பண்ணுறது, டிஸ்ட்ராயிங் தி ஈவில். இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி பெருமாள் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய, அப்படின்னா தர்மத்தை காப்பாத்துறார். பெருமாள் doing all of this is protecting dharmam. The first avataram is Matsyavataram. In Matsyavataram, Perumal appears as a small fish in front of Satyavrata Pandyan, who is a Vanaprastha, who was a king previously, who is in Vanaprastha ashrama. So when Satyavrata Pandyan does his Anushtanam in Vaigai Nadi, Perumal appears as a small fish, and Perumal asks for protection. And Perumal keeps growing after Satyavrata protects him. And when Satyavrata leaves him in the ocean, Perumal says, Naneda Narayanan, enakku unkita oru karyam irukku, nee 7 நாள்ல பிரளயம் நடக்க போறது, அதுக்கு வேண்டியான வஸ்துகள், அதனா மூலிகைகள், சப்தரிஷிகள், வாசுகி பாம்பு, விடைகள்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு படலை ஏறுன்னு சொன்னார். In these 7 days, Perumal slayed Hayagriva and brought the Vedas from him and safely carried all the required items for the next creation cycle before Pralayam. Swami Deshikar in Dashavataram Stotram mentions, निर्मग्नश्रुतिजालमार्गण दशा दत्तक्षणैर्वीक्षणैः अन्तस्तन्मदिवारविन्दगहनान्यौदन्वतीनामपां निष्प्रत्यूह तरङ्गरिङ्गणमिथ प्रत्यूढपातश्छटा डोलारोह सदोहलं भगवतो मात्स्यं वपुः पातु नः. பிரளயம் ஜலம் பெருமாளுக்கு ஊஞ்சல் மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னு பெருமாள் சுவாமி தேசிகர் சொல்றார். டோலாரோக சதோஹலம், the strong pralayam waves were like a swing for Perumal. அடுத்த அவதாரம் கூர்மா அவதாரம். In Kurma avataram, it begins with Durvasa Maharshi giving a curse to Indra for disrespecting the Lakshmi Vala given by him to Indra. Durvasa Maharshi curses Indra to lose all his Aishwaryam. So when all the devas go to Perumal for help, Perumal suggests to churn the Milky Ocean. சமுத்திரத்தை கரையறதுக்கு பெருமாள் மத்து மந்திரமலையா எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கு கயிறு வாசுகி பாம்பா எடுத்துக்க சொல்றாரு. பெருமாளே நிறைய இது ஹெல்ப் பண்றது தேவர்க்கெல்லாம், இது மலை தூக்கறதுக்கு. அப்புறம் இது மந்திரமலை நடுவுல கரையறச்சே முழுங்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருத்து. Perumal takes the avataram of Kurma and lifts the mountain, and himself he churns the mountain, he churns the ocean. And when the Dhanvantri brought the Amritam from the ocean, the Asuras snatched it, and Perumal takes Mohini avataram and distributes the Amritam to Devas. So we see that be it advising the Devas or lifting the Mandara mountain or distributing the Amritam, Perumal himself has assisted the Devas to distribute and help them regain their Aishwaryam. In Dashavatara Stotram's third shlokam, Deshikar says, Avyasurбhuvanattrayi manibhritam kanduya nairadrina mitranasya parasya korma vapusho nishvasa vatormayaha yadvikshepana samskrito dadhipayah prenkhola paryankika nityarohana nirvrito viharate devas sahaiva shriya. Prenkhola paryankika nityarohana nirvrito devas sahaiva shriya. Swami Deshikar brings about the image of Perumal resting peacefully because of the churning of the ocean on his back. He is resting peacefully along with Taya Lakshmi Devi beside him, and he is snoring on the kattil of Tirupparkadal. He brings about this beautiful image through these words of Prenkola Paryankika Nityarohana Nirvrito Deva Sahivashya. In Daya Shatakam, in the 82nd slokam, Swami Deshika says, Vichitra Guna Chitritam Vividha Dosha Vaideshiki Vrishachala Patestanum Vishati Matsya Kurmadikam. Vichitra Guna Chitritam means Alaga irukadhu, that is being beautiful. Vividha Dosha Vaideshiki, devoid of dosham. This describes the shariram of Matsya and Kurma avatarams and how the shariram is Shuddha Sattvam. The next avataram is Varaha avataram. In Varaha avataram, when Hiranyaksha does injustice to Bhumi Devi, through the nostril of Brahma emerges a boar which grows in size to be called Varaha, and Varaha lifts Bhumi Devi using his tusks and does the samharam of Hiranyaksha Asura. Swami Deshikar pens down in his Dashavataram Stotram, Gopaye Dvanisham Jaganti Kuhana Potri Pavitri Krita Brahmanda Pralayor Mighosha Guruphed Ghorna Raveid Ghurghuraye Yatram Stram Kurakoti Gatha Gathana Nishkampanitya Sthitihi Brahmastamba Masau Dasau Bhagavati Musteva Vishwambhara. Vishwambhara here refers to Bhumi Devi. It is said that Bhumi Devi was shaking with fear because as she was abducted by Hiranyaksha. But when Perumal did Upadesham of Varaha Puranam to Bhumi Devi, he alleviates his fears, and Bhumi Devi takes the concept of Sevai to Perumal of Pumalai and Pamalai and expresses it through Andal Avataram. Here Deshikar says Nishkampa Nitya Sthitihi Musteva Vishwambhara. Here he describes how Perumal holds Bhumi Devi through his tusks as if she was a Kodai Kiranga, which is a rooted tuber. That is the tuber growing in the roots underground. In Bhustuti, Swami Deshikar references Bhumi Devi as Varaha's consort in many places. In the first pasaram itself, he says Svecha Varaha Mahishim. Meanwhile, in the 17th shlokam, he says Damshtra Vidarita Mahasura Shonitangaihi Angai Priyastava Dathe Parirambhalilam Sate Payothi Jalakeli Samuthitayah Sairandhikeva Vidadhena Mangaragam. Swami Deshikar describes the scene of Varaha rescuing Bhumi Devi from Mahasuraha. Mahasuraha here is Hiranyaksha. The next avataram is Narasimha avataram. In Narasimha avataram, Swami Perumal does the slaying of Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha's brother. Hiranyakashipu gets a boon from Brahma that he cannot be slain in day or night, inside or outside, in Bhumi or in Akasham, and he starts doing apacharam to all the bhaktas of Perumal, and when his own son Prahlada turns out to be a Perumal bhakta, he tries to give death sentence to Perumal, but to Prahlada, but every instance Perumal himself comes and rescues his Prathama bhakta Prahlada, and in the end Perumal emerges from a stambham in his house, in his griha, and at twilight, neither inside nor outside, using his nails, placing him on his lap, Perumal slays Hiranyakashipu and saves his Prathama bhakta Prahlada. In Dashavatara Stotram, Swami Deshikar says, Pratyadishta Puratana Praharana Gramha Kshanam Panijaihe Avyatrini Jagantyakuntha Mahima Vaikuntha Kanthiravaha Yat Pradurbhavana Davantya Jathara Yadvichikat Vethasam Yakachit Sahasa Mahasura Grihasthuna Pitamahya Bhut. Mahasura Grihasthuna Pitamahya Bhut. Mahasura is Hiranyakashipu. Grihasthuna refers to the pillar in his house. Since Narasimha was emerged out of the pillar became a mother to Narasimha, and since Brahma emerged from the Nabhi of Perumal, Brahma is considered a son of Perumal. So this pillar became a grandmother to Brahma, says Swami Deshikar. And he also says Gramaha Kshanam Panijaihi, how the nails of Narasimha became a new weapon which was never used for any other samharam before. In Kamasikashtakam is a stotram written by Swami Deshikar, entirely dedicated to Narasimha. In Abhitistavam, Swami Deshikar says, Kayatha Sutavaya Sadvirada Pungava Draupadi Vibhishana Bhujangama Vrajaganam Varishadayaha Bhavatpada Samashrita Bhaya Vimuktima Puryatha Labhe Mahitatha Vayam Sapadi Ranganathatvaya. O Ranganatha, just like how you protected your devotees like Prahlada, Draupadi, Vibhishana, Ambarisha, taking your roop, yourself have protected your greatest bhaktas. Please protect me also. Please protect devout bhaktas like me also, says Swami Deshikar. Here, Swami Deshikar begins the slokam with Kayadhu Sutta. Kayadhu Sutta refers to Kayadhu's son, Prahlada. Here the speciality of Swami Deshikar starting the slokam here is, Prahlada is considered as Prathama Bhakta or Mudal Bhaktan. So Swami Deshikar begins this slogam with Kayadhu Sutta, which enhances the beauty of this stotram. In Vamana, the next avataram is Vamana avataram. Vamana is also known as Trivikrama, and he is born Perumal takes the avataram of Vamana after Aditi Devi, the mother of Indra and the other devas, performs Payovratam. Aditi Devi prays so that her son and the devas, her sons, get back the Swargalokam which has been conquered by Mahabali. So Perumal again fulfills the wishes of his bhakta and takes the avataram of Vamana, and here he saves Mahabali from his ego. And the speciality of this avataram is no samharam of any living being. Vamana does no samharam of any living being. Only Vamana does the samharam of Mahabali's ego or arrogance. Mahabaliyoda ahankarattukku mattum da Vamanar vandu samharam pandrar. In Dashavatara 6th slokam, Swami Deshikar says, Vrida Vitthavadan Yadanava Yasho Nasirathati Bhataha Tayyaksham Magutam Punannavatu Nastrai Vikramo Vikramaha Yatprastava Samutchita Dvajapati Vrittanta Siddhantibhihi Srotobhisura Sindhurashta Sudisha Saudheshu Dodhuyate. Here Deshikar says Nasirathati Bhataha. He says how Perumal, asking for 3 foot of land, praises the donor Mahabali, and he also says Trivikramaha, how Trivikrama became the origin of Ganga. In Dehalisha Stuti, Swami Deshikar says Vedaha Kamandalu Jalaihi. He says Brahma used his Kamandalu and washed the feet of Trivikrama, and that became the origin of river Ganga. In Dehalisha Stuti again, Swami Deshikar says Vairochane Sadasivamana Bhumikavan Vikranti Tandavarasena Vijrimbhamanaha Chakre Bhavan Makara Kundala Karnapashaha Shyameka Megha Bharitamiva Saptaloke. Here Swami Deshikar says, describes the tale of how Vamana conquered the ego of Virochana's son Bali by asking for 3 foot of bhumi. Here Swami Deshikar brings about the beautiful image of Vamana as Shyamaika Megha Bharitamiva Saptalokim. Shyama is blue-hued, bluish color. Megha is cloud. Bharitamiva Saptalokim refers to covering the 7 worlds. Here Swami Deshikar describes how the blue-hued Vamana is like a cloud and covers the 7 worlds. And he also describes how his Makara Kundala, which is adorned in his ears, is like lightning to this whole scene. Here he describes how Vamana is like a blue-hued cloud covering the 7 lokam, and his Makara Kundalam is like a lightning. कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः।
स्वामी
ದಶಾವತಾರத்துல வாமனாவதாரத்துல நாழி இல்லைன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
ஆமா மடியன், நாழி இல்லைன்னு நிறுத்திருக்கேன். அடுத்த வாட்டி இன்னொரு சதஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா அடுத்த செட்டை ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணலான்னு.
நான் சொன்னேன் காசபன்ஸ்லாம் இவா பிரபாசனேஷ் அவா சொல்லி கொடுத்து நீ தேரலிச ஸ்துதி அதெல்லாம் அவா கிட்டே இருந்து எடுத்தியா நீயே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணியா?
இல்ல, நானே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண. அது சப்த சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல இருந்து எடுத்த சப்தத்துல இருந்து மீனிங்லாம் புரிஞ்சுட்டு கொஞ்சம் தேடி கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டாடி. பிரபா மாமி இந்தியா இன்னொரு தடவை கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டாடி.
ஓ சந்தோஷம், நல்லா இருந்தது. தேரலிச ஸ்துதி அப்புறம் இது அபிதிஸ்தவம் அதுல முதல் வேர்டு கயாது சுதந்திரது நல்லா இருக்கு. ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் நல்லா இருந்தது. அல்ப பிராண மகாபாரண உச்சாரணமும் நல்லா இருக்கு. சந்தோஷம்.
धन्यवाद मेरी.
அடியனுடைய சுவாமி எழுதிட்டோம்.
ரொம்ப நல்லா ரிசர்ச் பண்ணியிருந்தப்பா. ரொம்ப டாஸ் ரெஃபரன்ஸ்லாம் ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு அவதாரத்தோட புராண ரெஃபரன்ஸையும் சொல்லி இந்த ஜஸ்டிஃபைடா இந்த டைம்ல எவ்வளோ முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ நல்லா சொல்லி ரொம்ப வெரி நீட் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.